मेडिकल सर्विस सेंटर के ये हमारा डिमांड है इमीडिएट प्रोवाइड सप्लीमेंटरी चार्जशीट because we are very much aggrieved, we are very much shocked that CBI is totally inactive, they are not taking any action. That's why we did not get justice. Mother and father of Abhay are crying, people of Bengal are crying. After 7 months, we did not get justice. Who are the real culprit? Today, Calcutta High Court clearly said that only Sanjay Rai is not the culprit. So there is a group of people, those who are involved. So who are those people who tampered the evidences that High Court wanted to know, and they ordered CBI to submit their charge sheet and their documents within 28th of March. That's why Medical Service Center came here to meet CBI investigating officer. They told that within 90 days they will provide supplementary charge sheet, but already 220 days passed. We are not getting supplementary charge sheet. That's why the injustice is prevailed. That's why we are very much aggrieved. And not at all. We are not satisfied about the CBI activity. CBI is suppressing the fact and CBI is protecting the murderer. This is clearly we are saying, and people of Bengal are saying that CBI is not doing the right thing. It is already said that Kolkata police within 4 days tampered the evidences and they were suppressing the fact. After that, CBI also doing the almost same thing. They become inactive. They are not taking against those police officers who tampered the evidences. That's why we are also aggrieved against Kolkata police and CBI. The movement will be continued. ये आंदोलन ये लड़ाई चलेगा जब तक जस्टिस मिलेगा हाँ ये लड़ाई चलेगा. मेडिकल सर्विस सेंटर का स्टेट सेक्रेटरी मैं हूँ डॉक्टर बिप्लब चंद्र.
ঢুকে কথা বলতে না পারি, আমরা এই প্রচেষ্টাকে ধিক্কার জানাই। আমাদের প্রতিনিধিরা, একটা প্রতিনিধি দল রেডি হয়ে আছে, তারা ভেতরে যাবে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি চার্জশিটের দাবি নিয়ে, উপযুক্ত তদন্তের দাবি নিয়ে, অবয়ার ন্যায় বিচারের দাবি নিয়ে। ততক্ষণ